everyone, so today I'm going to be talking to you all about Grav. So this is just a simple website I made. You can see right here it has a bunch of different pages. So I have a management page, developer buy-in page, and so on. So this website is just talking about Grav and the benefits using Grav, as well as how it can save money, security, and so on. So I recently found this website right here, and it's called Building Faster Websites with Grav, a Modern Flat File CMS. So included in the website, it discusses what is Grav, but also includes some of the benefits. So these are the benefits. Also shows you just how to use it, but that's not really what I'm looking for right now. So I would want to add some of the benefits to my website because I think it's important for people to know. So I go on to Grav, which shows that I'm logged in so I can edit it. Then I'm going to go on to Pages, and then it'll display the pages that I have on my website. And I'm going to click on Designer Buy-in. So once I click that, it shows what I have on the Designer Buy-in. So if we go to my website, Designer Buy-in, it's the exact same right here. So, sorry, there's a typo right there. This is the header, and then I'm going to just simply add things and say benefits of Grav. And then right up here has some different options. I could do a header, bold, italics, so on. But I want to do a list, and there are two options, either an unordered list or an ordered list. For this list, I think I'm just going to do an unordered list, and it shows an asterisk. And then I'm going to go back to the website, and it says that it's developer friendly, so I'm going to add that it is developer friendly. And then I see that it's designer friendly. And then it is user friendly. So pretty much done with editing that, and so I want to click save. And then when I go to the website, just refresh, it changes the typo. And then it also added my benefits. So since I did use this as a source, I want to reference this. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back to my pages, and I have an additional resources page just in case anyone else wants to look at other benefits or how to use it. And then I'm going to click on this link. I'm going to insert the link in the parentheses, and then in the brackets, I'm just going to say Grav benefits. And then if I save it, and then we go onto the website, additional resources, it has all three links. And then if I click on Grav benefits, it will redirect me to the website that I used to reference. So that's just a very simple tutorial on how to use Grav and how to edit pages. You can do a lot more, but those are just the basics. So thank you all so much for watching my tutorial, and I'll see you all in the next video.